All right, some highlights from my March 2021 trip to Bentonville. Road Slaughter Pen Trail Network, 3 phases. This is the Boo Boo Trail, a little drop in off this elevation. Such a good trail. I rode the heck out of this trail. Lots of jumps and doubles. This is that same quick little section from a different angle. Nice little table, little quick double into this rock berm. This was a fun trail, lots of jumps. I rode the heck out of this trail. I spent the most time on this trail. I must have rode it 15, 20 times just trying to get it in, get it dialed. The top section was pretty quick. It's after this berm that you really got to carry momentum to make all these big up over tabletops. If you didn't clear them, you lost a lot of momentum. It took a lot of pedaling and you're just tired. It's a lot of work, but it's such a good section, man. It's such a good little trail. Definitely worth checking out. Bentonville was a blast. Rode a Trek Fuel 9 carbon fiber 29 or something or other. It was a fun little bike, a little big for me though. I rode an XL. This is the Choo Trail. This is another kind of a crazy trail. It's all asphalt. Only rode it this one time because it just wasn't that fun for me. It's not what I dig. But it had a couple little jumps at the top, and then it just drops into this left right berm section that's just crazy. It is crazy. This is just one of like 5 or 6 mountain bike areas to ride. There's a whole nother one that's only about 5 minutes away called Kohler Mountain, which is another just awesome mountain bike area. Super good. Yeah, that was that. And then after we pedaled north, this All-American Trail, this section right here was really good too. I sessioned this a bunch of times too. Just lots of quick little tables, fun kickers, nice long tabletops, get a little more air, a little more flow. The best part about it, to get back to this one, you just had to ride on this asphalt trail off to the left. You didn't have to grind up a hill to get back to the top. It did require a little more pedaling, but it wasn't quite as tiring because you didn't have to work as hard to get to the top. But just all kinds of fun little kickers and rollers. Really spend a lot of time in the air on these trails. It's kind of fun. Don't see that out on Orchid Hill much. This is the last section I did. This one's called Skidmark. This is a serious trail, but this is the very end of the day. I'm worked, I'm tired. Did 16 miles of riding this day. Yeah, little wood sections, lots of little drops. I bypassed that drop. Little stair step section was pretty easy. Onto this wood ramp. There's a section to the right that goes to a huge drop. I just did this little short drop. Huge drop on the right I bypassed. Another drop on the right, or a huge step up on the left right there. Down and out. Such a fun trail, man. Check it out, Bentonville. Really good stuff.